This is a rare sight indeed. I don't know if you can hear the water, but from the flash rain that we had, it's still running from somewhere up the mountain on top of this mesa over here. It's going down there into that Tanaha, coming around through the rocks there to this one, on into there, and continuing on. I came out here tonight because I wanted to see this particular area and see how it was. There's 2 waterfalls. Oh my god, it's just so amazing. As soon as I heard the water running, I just started running myself to get closer. It's so peaceful.